Hi friends, how to find the purpose of life? This is an eternal question. In Japanese, it is called as ikigai. Iki is life and gai is value or worth or simply your reason for being. Or as our Indian scriptures say, like Vedas, Rig Veda, we say koham. Koham means who am I? So we are always in search of what is our purpose of being on this planet. So I'll be telling you a wonderful story about finding the purpose of life. So there used to live a wise man in Algeria and he was a Marabout. Marabout is a person with divine grace. They can perform miracles and they can cure people. Now he was a very popular Marabout living in Algeria and he had a son. His son was totally opposite of him. So he was very lazy and he was always confused about what he should do in life, like many of us. And one day, this old man, being a father and being also a wise man, asked his son, "What do you want to do in life?" The son said, "I don't want to be a Marabout." But Marabouts normally do barka. Barka is divine grace or miracles. So he said, "I don't want to do miracles. I want to live a very prosperous life. I want to marry the daughter of King of Algeria." Now this wise man, being a father and also being a wise man, asked his son, "So what do you need for that?" The son said, "I would need money for that. And being your son, I cannot have that much money." So the wise man smiled and told him that my friend from Spain is going to arrive in Morocco, which is almost a week long distance from here. So you go and meet him on the beach of Morocco and he will hand over you money. Yeah, so you take that treasure case from him and you come back. So this boy said, "Okay, I will go. There's no harm. I'll get the money and I can definitely use that money to marry the daughter of king." So this boy went. He This journey was very hard, and during this journey he met many tribes, many different kind of people who were ready to help him in different manners. He also met a different kind of people who wanted help from him. He met different animals, he met different kind of birds, but this boy was in very hurry because he wanted to reach there at Morocco beach and collect that money and come back and get married to daughter of the king. So he was in that hurry, so he was neglecting everyone. And the day arrived when he was about to reach the Morocco beach, and at the same time he heard tribal person asking for some help because he was not keeping well. But this guy wanted to hide his identity. He was not willing to perform any miracle like his father. So he ignored that person and he straight away went to the beach. On going to the beach, he saw no one was there. So he got a little surprised. He asked people sitting there, and they said there was a very big ship, and there was a person who was holding a big treasure case kind of bag in his hand. But since you came late, and he left, this boy got very disheartened, and he decided that he should now go back. So he asked, "Is there any message for me?" Then those people said that he has left one message for you, that he is going to come back again after 15 days and he will definitely meet you. Now the boy, being very lazy, he thought that instead of going all the way to Algeria, why don't I stay here for 15 days? So he decided to stay there. During this stay, he again came across these various kind of tribes, and various kind of tribe asked for his help, he was not very willing to help them. But on a particular day, there was a mother who asked his help to cure very young son, and he got really moved from inside and he decided to help her and he performed the miracle. He performed the miracle so well that the young child got well and started running. On that day, he got really famous in the around places, and many people started visiting him to understand how they can cure their ailments. He started performing miracles after miracles and he helped all of them to cure. During this time, he also learned the languages of the birds, language of the animals. He learned many new things which a human should learn. And he gelled well. He made really good connection with different tribal people. One day, the king of Algeria fell ill, and they asked this Maribou, the wise man of Algeria, to cure the king. He tried his best, he performed many miracles, but he could not cure the king. Then the ministers of the king heard of this wise man, this Maribou in Morocco, and they called him. So this guy visited King of Algeria. He performed a great miracle and cured the king. The king got so happy that he got his daughter married to this miracle man. And with this, his father also got very happy to see this miracle man was no one else but his own son. So the father asked the son that, did you find money from my friend? Son said, I just could not meet him, and eventually there were so many wonderful things happening around me that I forgot about him. So the wise man smiled. He just smiled because he knew that his son has found the purpose of life. So the moral of the story is, the purpose of life is to find the purpose of life. And you will definitely find the purpose of life if you live the life to the fullest. And once you find the purpose of life, live it passionately. The whole year, the whole months, the whole weeks, the whole days, the whole hours, and every second.